You're watching ChillyBoy Productions. I'm Larry, ChillyBoy Chillson, and this is my reaction to Our Flag Means Death, Season 2, Episode 1. Now, before we get into this reaction, make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so that you can chill with me on each and every one of my latest videos. We are back! Finally! Finally! We are here for season 2 of Our Flag Means Death. Now, I was late to the party when it came to the first season of Our Flag Means Death. Everyone said it was gay pirates. You have to watch it. It's so good. So I finally watched it and I reacted to the entire first season. So if you're just finding me and you want to see my entire experience with the show, there is a playlist, so check it out. And if you are back from that first season, woo, we've been waiting a while. Y'all have been waiting even way longer than I have, so there you go. But I have my little bit of trinkets of Our Flag Means Death stuff, because there's not all that much, even at cons and stuff. Got my little pins, my little yesterday pins, Taika, and then two little prints over here. But we're not here for prints. We're not here for merch. We're here for the second season of our show. And oh my gosh, I desperately needed a second season. I was so scared with all that stuff happening with HBO Max becoming Max, and they were dropping all kinds of shows. We weren't really hearing any good updates. Not to mention, they were also dropping stuff that they had like fully filmed or were just about to finish, deciding to cancel shows that before had been renewed, and they snatched that renewal away. I was in panic mode over Our Flag Means Death, but we survived. Our show made it. We're back for season 2. And thank God, because if we had left how we ended season 1 and that was the end of everything, no, I can't accept that. I would never accept that. I would be reading fan fiction day in and day out for the rest of my life to console myself. Yeah, we're in disarray. My heart was broken at the end of season 1. Yes, Steed got to, come back to live his happy life and make right with his wife. And they both got to be better for it. Fake his death, the whole jam. Rejoin his crew, but he lost his man. And his man is in big depression mode. So yeah, I'm gonna need that to get back, please. I want my Steed and Ed back. And I don't need y'all to take all season to do it either. Do you hear me? Writers? Don't take all season. We can lead up to it a little bit, but I need them back. Really, all of our couples got split up by the end of last season. So who knows? We have a lot to get through. I did a very short reaction for the trailer. My favorite thing about it was Ed making himself Steed's bride. Breaking up some weddings. So I'm really excited for that episode whenever it hits. Maybe it'll be the first one because clearly Ed is back to Blackbeard. So I don't want to talk anymore. We don't need to revisit anything any longer. Let's just get into this season 2 premiere. Impossible Birds. It's all in Steed's dreams.
Selling us out to the English.
Izzy.
I never made you leave him. You did that yourself.
Well, I'm digging the look though, Steed. I gotta say.
Where's Ed?
Now you better bring this energy to the real world.
Absolute.
Not the music.
Still there. It's a wall of stench.
Can't be worse than you moaning egg, oh egg all night long.
Shut up.
Oh.
Maybe,
Hey girl,
maybe a
welcome
place to
back.
sleep. Isn't that the dude who broke my nose jar?
Ooh.
Yes, hi. Again, apologies for that.
Who's
Hi.
Blondie?
He's single.
Come on over here, baby. Don't be shy. Come here.
It's okay. Be brave.
Turn around.
Gotta take one for the team sometimes. Sorry, sweet.
Okay. Start work in 20 minutes.
Yes.
Okay. No, not you.
No, sweet. Your work is in here.
See you, mate.
Thanks.
Scoot you a little closer.
Bye.
Spanish jacket don't bite. I lied.
Nice. Feel mature. We've really come into our own. There you go. Soon, we still need to save more cash.
A lot more, I
Now
feel.
it's the highest it's ever been. It's a golden age.
Is it?
Hit me with something hard, Olu, please.
Drinks on the house, you know that, right?
Oh, come on, please.
I'm happy to buy you a drink.
Oh.
Oh, well, thank you.
Richard.
Oh.
My friends call me Ricky.
Uh-huh.
You're Steve Bonnet, aren't you?
No, Steve Bonnet is dead.
Oh, I've been called away.
About fucking time we got to that shit. It's taking forever.
I know the odds of this fight.
Between this and Thor and Love and Thunder, Taika Waititi loves a good message as a back tattoo, doesn't
The
he?
odds of us finding each other in the first place.
Oh, I'm gonna get my marriage here in episode 1.
To this union, speak now or forever hold your peace.
Objection.
Hi. I object to love.
Demon. I'm the fucking devil.
Ooh! That you underestimated, Bish.
These are the kids.
Guards, how cute. Oh! Oh! Not Wolverine! Tuesday, okay. Oh! Cool. Seems kind of fun while it's happening, I guess. Brutal, but, you know,
Is it just me?
good old riot.
Was the wedding thing a bit over the line?
And I put the things in the box, I lock the box, and then don't open it again. Works like a charm.
I like it.
Oh.
The days before therapy, how else are you gonna cope?
Finish that tape.
Sometimes action is better than vision.
See, that's what I've been telling him.
That's because you're the smart one.
Uh-oh!
Well, we can't turn up with any
Sue?
to look good.
Are you stalling because you think Blackbeard's gonna murder you?
What? No, why would he do that?
He's a fucking madman.
And you dumped
Yeah. Well, you ditched him.
He dumped you.
Ooh!
No.
Oh!
Did everyone get cake?
Just ground up a fresh batch.
Oh. Oh. Okay, this is what we're not gonna do, is Rhino Horn his drugs.
Well, then,
Sir.
get back to work, you fucking lightweight.
Oh!
Can't do the job. Someone else will.
Right, get it all
Yeah.
on then.
Is this what you wanted? Is he? This is what you wanted to happen?
No, we're gonna throw it overboard. Follow my fucking orders.
Somebody beat his ass.
How you doing, Izzy?
I'm fine,
Or talk to him, I guess, you know.
You really don't seem fine.
Oh. You kind of brought this on yourself, Izzy. Sorry, not sorry.
Savings jar? Yeah.
No.
Oh, hell no.
This jar right here?
Oh,
See, y'all been holding out on me.
Jackie,
oh
that is
shit.
our money. We earned it.
Can you think of anything else, Boo Cakes?
Ongoing job training and
Oh.
education.
Absolutely.
Sweet!
Sweet!
Look like you owe me.
Oh,
Oh, yeah?
Lots of air.
Oh, look.
fresh water?
Running water.
Okay, running water, yeah.
Dear Ed, things are terrible. I think I'm afraid to see you.
Yeah, I would be too, to be honest. Yeah,
I'm afraid that your life is better without me.
it's not. That part is a definite no, though.
I know everything about you. All of your
Oh,
adventures.
stalker much?
I'm sorry if that's a little bit creepy.
Yeah, it is.
And whatever you're selling, I don't want to buy it.
Well, hold on.
But the gentleman pirate, he saved my life. You're my hero.
He seems like he could have some money, Steed. Let him help you.
See, I too am a child of wealth.
Uh-huh.
I'm
Like I thought.
actually a minor prince.
Oh, perfect.
I was entertaining it all when I heard about you.
How do we know we can trust you? You're
Yeah.
husband number 20 after all.
Come on, now.
21.
Kate, come on.
Her love has helped me locate parts of myself I didn't even know existed and reclaim others.
Go on then, Swede.
We could all just maybe talk it through.
Oh. Uh-oh.
As a crew.
Okay.
Hang on. Hey.
I heard that you think the vibe here on the ship is poisonous.
Oh.
Care to elaborate? Anyone? Jim,
Toxic.
start with you.
Oh!
Is the vibe here poisonous?
Nope.
Well, I'm not crazy. I don't feel crazy. I feel pretty fucking good, actually.
Ooh.
The atmosphere on this ship is fucked. Everyone knows why.
Uh-huh.
I don't.
Your feelings for Steed fucking boss.
Frenchie. Yeah.
Damn.
Congratulations. You're now first mate.
Oh. Meanwhile, where the hell is my Lucius?
Really tight?
I still don't have an update.
Super tight? Maybe I'll get started on the hamstrings? Yes. Fuck those hammies up. Okay. Fuck those hammies up. Oh!
What are you doing?
Rick, what are you
I
doing?
am leaving my calling card. Absolutely undeniable.
You're insane. We've got to get going.
Rick.
So this is where you went wrong with the whole gentleman pirate thing. You've been ricked.
Not the OG Rick roll.
Shut the fuck up. I'll get the knife.
Rick.
Are you? You rock a fancy ass nose for my jar.
Okay, where's the getaway door?
Well, Rick,
Went to get
it was nice knowing you.
Why is your face blue? Fortune.
That's right. Now give me back
Oh.
my blue shit, Steve.
Oh, shit.
Jackie, this is not what it looks like. Depending on what you think it looks like.
It looks like more noses for my jar.
Oh?
Ain't you that soup bitch?
I'm the money bitch.
Oh, shit.
Okay. Oh. Let's go, husbands. Can't believe you paid that much for some blue dirt suit.
Hurry up.
This Susan don't play, huh?
Stop crying. God.
To the voice.
Do I wish I were a real person?
Do some more.
Oh.
Never going back to land.
Oh.
Sounds like a plan.
He just said, bitch, you ain't never seeing land again. So, Ed, I think this is not the right way to process a breakup. Having your heart broken.
Fuck you, Steve Bonnet.
Oh.
Good night.
Damn it.
Nevermore shall we be part.
Now, where the hell are y'all going?
You are in the presence of Zhong Yisao, Pirate Queen.
Yes, I like the sound of that. All right, well, that was the first episode for season 2 of Our Flag Means Death, and we are off to quite the rambunctious start. So Ed is not handling anything well, just off the deep end, mad as hell, killing everybody and everything in sight. He does not even want to see dry land anymore. That's how much you broke his heart, Steed. So I would also be worried about seeing him again because that is, yeah. Meanwhile, Steed handling it, I guess, a little better. Yeah. Working for Spanish Jackie. And we've now left Swede behind, which is a choice. So is Swede gonna stay with Spanish Jackie from here on out and we're done with him? Or is he gonna get left? Does she not need all those husbands anymore? I guess we'll see. Meanwhile, I kind of felt a connection between Susan and Alawande. So maybe, but then again, no, because Jim is still here. And that's endgame goals. So, we can have a little fling, especially if he gets the pirate queen on our side. But, I wonder if we're going to see, what was his name, Rick? Ever again. You fool. Don't have a nose, so that'll be fun to see you come back noseless. Just a hole in the face. Can you breathe? I don't know. I guess we'll see. Izzy, mate, like I said, you brought this all on yourself. I'm glad you said something, I guess, to Ed, but you really wanted him to get back to being Blackbeard, and you didn't want him to be all sad and brokenhearted anymore. And you were the one who turned them all in because you were jealous and angry. Yeah, I mean, this is all literally your own fault right now. So, yeah. But like I said in the episode, I didn't get a Lucius update. I didn't see my boy. And I don't like that. So don't try to play with me that he's actually dead or something. No, I won't accept that. So episode 2, I want to see Lucius. But that was my reaction to season 2, episode 1 of Our Flag Means Death. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead, click like down below and subscribe to the channel so that you are always up to date on all of my latest videos, including each and every one of my reactions to Our Flag Means Death. Also, make sure to join in on the discussion. What did you think of this season 2 premiere? Let me know either in the comment section down below, or you can hit me up on Twitter. I love you all so much for your continued support. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.